black is a bird, bandit. Now bandit right here is a red and green macaw, also known as the green winged macaw. Now these birds are found in the woodlands and forests of northern and central South America. And there you go, folks. Our show has initially started. So how about a round of applause for Bandit? So hello everyone, Mayong Udto sa Tanan. I am Mary, your host for today, and welcome to Simulation Park Amphitheater. Now our next set of words are just like any best friends. But sometimes best friends can be competitive, right? So let's meet Blue and Azul. And so today they will battle over who's gonna be the best in the basketball game. So with trainer Vince is Blue and with trainer Links is Azul. So now before we start this friendly battle, I'll be dividing you guys into two groups. Now all the boys will cheer for Blue. Come on boys, let me hear you cheer. Go Blue, go Blue. And all the girls will cheer for Azul. Come on girls, let me hear you cheer. Go Azul, go Azul. Now are you ready for the basketball game? Ay, wala man na energy. Are you ready for the basketball game? Alright, birds ready, trainers ready, set, go, let's go Blue, let's go Azul. Now birds go for Blue, it's followed by Azul, another one for Blue, followed by Azul, and Blue wins this game. So that's alright Azul, so trainer next you lost this game, what can you say?
Okay, trainer Vince, we want another race.
Oh, she wants another race.
Are you sure about that? You want Azul to lose again?
Why not?
Well, this time we're going to be Azul and I will win.
So what game do you have in mind?
Let's go in ring race. So the mechanics of this game is the first bird we can drop all three rings into the hole. The fastest is the winner. And that is a ring race.
Sorry, first it shall be. Now remember, boys already got 1 point, so let's cheer louder for Azul to win this time. Now are you ready for the second game? Alright, birds ready, trainers ready, set, go, let's go Azul. Now first ring for Blue, let's go Azul. And they must lose. Azul got all three rings at the same time on a clever technique from Azul. So trainer Vince, did you see that? 3 rings at the same time. What can you say?
Hey, what was that, Trainer Gates? You guys cheated.
Oh, did you guys do cheat?
No, we didn't cheat. Azul, just use your brain.
Alright, so how about a round of applause for Blue and Azul? Now this time, I'll need an adult volunteer with a money bill. So who wants to volunteer? Please raise your hand and I'll choose you. So I need adult volunteer. Ikaw, sir? Sino ba mo? Yes, sir, ikaw. So please join me here and bring with you a money bill. So pagdalag paper bill, sir. Any bill basta paper bill. So pwede na 20, 50, or 100. So hello sir, my name is Go, so please stand right here. Now face me and extend your left arm sideways. So no matter what happens, sir, please do not swing or move your arm. Now let's call in our money bird, Blue. Alright, Blue flies over. Grab some money. So what's next, Blue? What's next, Blue? So Blue flies back to the table. I guess Blue wants to. There you go. Donate your money. Oh, sir, are you okay with your money for donation? Sure. Since it's okay man, sir, how about another round? So 500 na po. Joke about dessert, it's all part of the show. So before we give you your money back, you'll have a photo op with our lucky bird for souvenir. So please stand right there and follow our trainer's instructions. So now smile and pose together with our money bird, Blue. Alright, so here's your money back, sir. So please call our photographer and they'll give you a printed copy for free. So how about a round of applause for volunteer and our money bird, Blue.
Right mga drama.
So now up next, we're gonna introduce to you to our parents. Now here in Ocean Park, we have 3 kinds. So we have our green-winged macaw bandit, our blue and gold macaw cody, and our eclectus parrot rojo. Now just a friendly reminder to each and everyone, if our birds and trainers will roam around you, please do not try to reach or touch our birds because they get frightened easily and could bite. So especially sa kids, sila na may touch itong mga birds, kaya mamaakma sila. Now let's call in Bandit, Goldie, and Rocco. So now let's start. Going first on the right with trainer Vince is our green-winged macaw bandit. So his body is covered with red plumage. So his wings and tail feathers are green and blue. So this macaw has a white-legged face struck with small red feathers. So its scientific name is Arachnorosaurus. Now bandit, say hi to everyone. Say hi. Other side of the bandit, hello! Now up next with trainer Nix is our blue and gold macaw Goldie. Now blue and gold macaws have a beautiful shade of blue on its back and a solid shade of yellow on its inner wings and belly. So its eyes and beak are solid black. Now its scientific name is Arachnorosaurus. Now here in Ocean Park, we have 3 good gold macaws. So we have Goldie up there and si Blue one as well earlier in the basketball game. So later na po next segment si Goldie. Now kung si Bandit mag-hide, si Goldie can flex her wings. So flex your wings, Goldie. There you go. Now lastly with me is our eclectus parrot rojo. Eclectic parrots are very unusual in the bird family. That is because of their extreme sexual dimorphism. Meaning you can easily distinguish between a male and a female eclectus parrot. So Robo right here is a female parrot. That is because of its bright red colored feathers.
Gato siya may kwan tayo.
Bright green colored feathers. Now for their lifespan, Rojo can live up to 40 years old. While our macaws Bandit and Goldie, they can live up to 60 to 70 years old. And now lastly, did you know that parrots are monogamous? Meaning they only have one partner for their entire lifetime. And so that is it for the kinds of parrots here in Ocean Park. We have our eclectus parrot Rojo, our green-winged macaw Bandit, and our blue and gold macaw Goldie.
Ha?
Now, parrots in particular don't remain sensitive and perceptive. That is why we continue to do our best to keep them engaged. Now, let's call in Bandit once again to show us how to put a shaped flag to its correct knot. Now, even though this is a learned behavior, Bandit has to get the shapes back to its correct spots. And that is possible with its perception, memory, and intelligence. So in the wild, use the skill to find food, shelter, and a good place to nest. Alright, now let's shake Bandit. And there you go, intelligent, right? How about a round of applause for Bandit?
Natagot. Aha.
Now I have here an object with me, which is a ball, and I will hide this under one of these three silver cups.
Bitaw, no?
As you can see, all cups are empty. So what I sulod atong mga
Nanagot ka
cups.
tuwing.
Now where do you want me to put this object? On your left, right, or in the middle? Louder, which side? Left, right, middle. Okay, so let's put it right here. So now let's call in our psychic bird, Goldie. So now, do you think Goldie can find her hidden object? Let me hear you cheer. You can do it, Goldie.
Ipagawa na ba?
Okay, Goldie, find her hidden object.
Kabalo
Now,
na.
Goldie's searching using her psychic powers.
Psychic.
Oh, she's sensing something and she
kabalo na yun.
found it. So how about a round of applause for Goldie?
Natagot. Ano ba to? Kabalo naman siya.
So earlier, we have showed here different kinds of parrots. Now let me introduce to you to our cockatoos. Now there are currently 21 living species of cockatoos around the world, but here in Ocean Park, we have 3. So we have our silver-crested cockatoo, Wheatie, our Moluccan cockatoo, Snow, and our umbrella cockatoo, Nigel. Now once again, if our birds and trainers will roam around you, please do not try to reach or touch our birds. Now let's call in Wheatie, Nigel, and Snow.
Leo. Kokato.
So the trainer Vince is Snow, this is Wheatie, and the trainer Vince is Nigel.
Sabahan kayo.
So now let's start. Go up first with me is our silver-crested cockatoo, Wheatie. Now these birds prefer their habitats along the edges of subtropical and tropical rainforest. Now they are primarily white with black feet and a distinctive silver yellow crest. So this is their crest. So the scientific name is Hamatua ballerina. Now up next to trainer next is our umbrella cockatoo, Nigel, also known as the white cockatoo or the great white-crested cockatoo. Now these birds are distinguishable from other white cockatoos thanks because of the ruling white crest, which raises up like an umbrella. So if ka press ni Nigel, masama na na siyang umbrella ang forma. So its scientific name is Cockatoo alba. Now we were comparing Wheatie and Nigel. So obviously Wheatie has a yellow crest, while Nigel has a pure white plumage. And now lastly up there in trainer birds is our Moluccan cockatoo, Snow, also known as the sandalwood-crested cockatoo that is because of their pinkish-white colored feathers. So this endemic bird can be found in the Sinop archipelago of eastern Indonesia, and they are classified as the largest among the white cockatoos. So that is known guys, please
Abang
watch
sa
your
tumilo.
trainers. So please your trainers know.
Sabahan kayo.
Now, in general, cockatoos may use their crest as a form of communication and indication of their mood, whether they're happy, gentle, or when eating.
Ngayo, day siya.
Now, as you know, these cockatoos can be loud and can mimic any sound. That is what we call a mimicry behavior. So sila yung mga birds nga maklastorya. Now, lastly, for their lifespan, we can Michael, they can live up to 40 years old.
Istorya
While
na.
our Malucan cockroach snow with trainer Vince can live up to 70 years
Wala ba
old. And so that is it for the Vermont Cockatoos here in Ocean Park. We have our silver crested cockatoo Queenie, our Malucan cockatoo snow, and our Angola cockatoo Michael.
Si Juan, nag-giring. Sige, masapakan mo. Mama pa. Pero lingaw kayo, bawa sila yung partner.
Now, who here loves mathematics? So, kinsa may mga bright ng math diri? Wala na. Now, our next featured bird will leave you baffled and amazed even us trainers. So, before I call in our bird, I'll be asking two numbers between 1 to 20. So, first number, what's the mga number? 20. Alright, second number. Pila? 7. Alright, so our equation is 20 plus 7. So we all know the answer, right? But before we call in our math wizard, I'll be shuffling these numbers first. Alright, so the numbers have been shuffled. Now let's call in our math wizard, Snow. Okay, once again, Snow is our Malucan cockatoo. Okay, Snow, your equation is 20 plus 7. So, tagal na itong time si Snow, si Trainer Vince mag-study. Okay, 20 plus 7, Snow.
Pagalawa niyo.
Alright, is Snow ready? Okay, Snow, solve the equation for us. Okay, Snow picks up number 2. So is the first number correct? I'm not really sure on one. So is the first number correct? Yes, no, Snow. So complete your answer is no. And there you go. 20 plus 7 is 27. So how about a round of applause for Snow?
Awa na ng story. Ano kabalo mo siya pili?
Now our next set of birds are different from our colorful parrots and cockatoos. So they are called the birds of prey, or also known as raptors. Now raptor meaning precedes or to take by force. So they use their strong talents by seizing or impaling their prey. Now there are 446 types of raptors, but here in Ocean Park we have 3. So we have our white-bellied sea eagle Acme, our Brahminic kingdom, and our Philippine serpent eagle Freddy. Now just a friendly reminder to each and everyone, if our birds fly over you, please do not try to reach or grab our bird. And for the meantime, please stay clear of the center stairs, so no one shall pass or sit on the center stairs. And also, I want everyone to please sit down. So for their safety and for the safety of our bird, please settle down.
Wala pa ron? Asa man to?
Now let's call in our white-bellied sea eagle, Happy.
Eagle.
Now white-bellied sea eagles, scientifically known as Heliotus euclidmaster. Now these raptors can be found around Southern Asia and Australia. Now these enormous raptors are primarily white on its head and body with a gray on its back and wings. which held in a strong V shape. And with a wingspan of 2.2 meters, landing itself as the second largest raptor in Australia. Now they are known to be skilled hunters and have an excellent eyesight, which can catch up their prey as fast as 30 to 100 miles per hour.
Kisan-kisan din yung
Now they participate in aquatic animals such as fish, sea snakes, and sea turtles, as well as carrions such as sheep and swans. Now ready to recover us as Abby will fly across the stage. And so that is it for our light-footed sea eagle, Abby. Now up next is our Brahminikai kingdom. Now Brahminikai, scientifically known as Heliastor indus. These lawids can be found in the Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia, and Australia. Now they are locally known as lawids or banok in the Visayan region.
Lagyan mo sa tuwa. Banon.
Now Brahminikites are delicate entities than eagles that is because they prey on smaller animals such as fish and insects. Now, kung familiar mo na bird, mga siyang bird na sa logo sa show ni Kuya Kim na matang lawin.
Matang lawin.
And so that is it for Brahminikai kingdom. Now lastly is our Philippine serpent eagle, Freddy. Alright, so let's wait for Freddy. Now, Philippine serpent eagle, scientifically known as Philornis voluspilus. This endemic eagle can be found in the major islands of the Philippines, so mostly found in open woodlands and forests. Now, Philippine eagle and Philippine serpent eagle are two different birds. So si Freddy right there is our Philippine serpent eagle, while ang Philippine eagle is 3 times larger than Freddy.
Silva
Let's
to eh.
go, Freddy.
Si Kapoy si Freddy.
So working with animals can be challenging. So yeah, mas si Freddy. Now lastly for flying birds, please look to your left as we call it our homing pigeons.
Muli ra. Oh,
Now homing pigeons have an innate homing ability, meaning they'll like to nest and mate. So they have this special sense called magnetoception, wherein they can detect Earth's magnetic field, allowing them to perceive their position, altitude, and
Kapoy yung vision, no?
location.
Na Kapoy ay kaway ko dili. Bugoy
So how about a round of applause
Hi,
for
Freddy.
our pigeons and homing pigeons?
Oh.
Now our next
Freddy.
feature bird is very unique from our
Hi,
colorful birds
Freddy.
and cockatoos. Now let's call in our Southern of a Smart Bill 2.
Naragid yes per day, oh.
Now these birds are
Ano,
taking labor.
magkaw-
They love
kalaw.
to hop or jump from perch to perch, showing off their chasing skills from one another. And sometimes even climb
Pwede.
short distances with
Wala, pwede.
wing branches.
Dili mo pagmawa. Gani.
Now these birds are omnivores, meaning they not only love to eat fruit, but also meat as well.
Oh,
And have you noticed the red here is an excellent food catcher? Alright, let's show them too.
ito yung ngalan niya. Mura
Okay,
mag-mangairo.
first one too.
Oh, catcher.
Okay, last one.
Oh,
Now, ladies and gentlemen, ready your cameras as we count to 3. Now, 1, 2, 3.
ah!
Again daw.
Again.
Against no. Ay, 2.
Kapoy na, kapoy. Dili siya.
Alright. Now, 1, 2, 3.
Ah!
Amazing, right? So, now, one round of applause for
Kasi naman to say, per day. Per day. Yeah, per day. Hangin-hangin.
So here in the ocean park, we believe there is hope. We're not trying to take care of our friends in the ocean, but also the land and air as well. So who knows the 3 R's of proper waste disposal? It's to
Pwede, pwede,
reduce,
lakawan.
reuse, and
Iba yun, per day kapoy.
recycle. Now let's call in once again our lovely
Sige,
bird who is
palo-palo.
going to show us how to properly dispose our waste.
Oh.
So sadly, a lot of animals today are struggling because of improper waste management and pollution. So always keep in mind to reduce waste, reuse plastics, and recycle everything we can. So the invented can do it, then so can we. Now, before we end the virtual, I would like to invite everyone to come down here on stage and take photos with our lovely birds. So you have a chance to hold our birds and take pictures with them. But pictures will only be taken by our official photographer right over there. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of our virtual. Now, I would like to acknowledge all the birds and trainers that made the show possible. We have trainer Katla, that's our DJ. We have trainer Vince with bandwidth and trainer Nix at the back of the house. And along with our staff here in Ocean Park, I am Mary, your host for today. So thank you for watching and goodbye.
Bye.